Everybody, just wanted to come on here real quick because I had a story I had to tell you. This is absolutely incredible. So a friend of mine has been using the technology for 9 months, basically just X39. He's using Eon off and on, along with Ice Wave once in a while for pain. He has got a brain and heart condition that actually causes him to go on life support every night. This condition is normally only found, there's 2 people in the entire United States that are alive and have it, because it's normally only found after people die. And it's like, oh, they have this condition. So anyway, he went back in for testing. He goes in for testing, has been going in for testing for all of this for 13 years, been on life support every night when he goes to sleep for 13 years. Goes back in, 9 months on the patches. They're doing all his brain testing. They're getting really good reads on his brain because he's bald, and so they're able to connect, really well. And the guy keeps moving the leads, and he's going, "What are you doing?" And why do you keep moving the leads? And the technician is like, "I don't understand what's happening right now, because you have new neural pathways go, in your brain that you did not have before." So that was the first thing that was jaw-dropping. Then he goes in to do all the heart checks, and again, they're running the heart scans, and they can't figure out what's going on. And so, and Ed's like, what are y'all doing? And they go, they said, so there's this test, I guess they pump them full of air to figure this out. And normally, so it's different than sleep apnea, worse than sleep apnea, because you actually die if you're not on the life support. So they're pumping him full of air. He's actually had to train himself to breathe all day long. He has to tell himself to breathe so that he doesn't pass out and die, because his heart just stops. So anyway, they're doing this test, and they're like, "We don't understand what's going on, because it's almost as if you're almost a sleep apnea." We can also, almost go back to saying you're sleep apnea. We don't ever see this kind of reversal with what's going on in your heart. So he's like, I would have never thought that I would have ever been able to say that I could potentially come off of life support someday. But now he's like, that may actually be available to me, because his heart condition that it's stopping every night without life support is going away as well. So the doctors were floored, he was floored. Anyway, truly amazing. Just had to come on and share all of that. So I'm hoping I'm going to get him to come on and do a testimonial from me, so you all will have the video as well at some point. So have a great Saturday. Hopefully you're staying dry and enjoying the weather or the rain, thankful that it's here, and getting everything to grow. So be blessed.